Hello everyone. So first we will be making a turtle. First cut out circles, multiple sheets of them, and fold them over 2 times as shown above. Repeat this multiple number of times. Put glue on either side and stick them together. Do this all until you form enough to make a complete circle. Now make a circle out of it and stick the edges to complete the circle. Next cut out another circle and add strips of paper as such to form the legs and the head of the turtle. Fold over the head and add eyes and a nose to make the turtle's body complete. Then add the shell, the first circle that we made on the top to make the shell of the circle. Add beady eyes. Next, add little toes for the cute little turtle. Forwarding this, we will be putting the turtle in a beachy setting. Add little dots to represent the stand and add the turtle over there. Now we will move on to our next drawing. Fold some paper and then cut it out in the shape of a hand. This results in a double layered hand-shaped paper. Add eyes and a mustache and a bow, before which you will color all the fingers. Now add a little heart in the center. What we will do is we will cut a heart shape, fold it over as such and stick it on one of the sides. Do the same on the other side. You have a mustache man. Now for our next drawing, face the hand and cut it out as such. Cut out some green paper in the shape of grass and then proceed to add leaves to the fingers of the hand shape that you have cut out. This will make it look like a tree. Fold over some pink square paper and fold it over once more. Now fold it over once more to form a triangular shape. Cut out one of the edges to form a heart shape and open it over and you will realize that this is shaped like a flower petal. Now cut off one of the petals, before which you will draw a circle and cut off one of the sides and stick the edges. Now you will have a 3D looking flower. You will stick it on the fingers of the leaves to make it look like flowers. Make multiple of these and stick them all over, and bees also. For our next drawing, take green paper and we will cut out a big leaf. You may add sharp edges and then draw the stem of the leaf on a white paper. Add circles on the leaf and then add semicircles cut out on the black portions of the black circles. Now add cute little eyes. We will be making cute little insects on the big leaves. You may add details to each of the wings. You can add stripes or circles and then add other small details outside such as wind and other such things. Thank you for watching.